Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.